We're over in Aviera on Shorebird. Let's see. Bataguitos right there. Freeway. That's the La Costa Avenue off-ramp. I don't think you have... That's a gate right there. I'm not sure where your direct access is though. I know you gotta go out the gate to that public access around the front. I don't think they have any other access in here. Okay, we're gonna start over here. The guest suite set up. Big closets. 2-car. Where's that? This is looking north also. A little shady right out here, a little too wet. Don't really like it when that slopes coming towards the house, but the right drainage out there, you can fix that. Get a little extra drainage. Ceramic tile in here just killing them. Don't know what they're thinking. This would be east facing, even plenty of morning sun right here.
Neat architecture in the house, really.
Got the right appliances, right cabinets, just gotta ditch the ceramic tile. Full access. Got your own linen closet. No jacuzzi tub. Tastefully organized here. I think most people would be okay with a master looking like that. That's that emergency exit door out the back of the master closet, which goes over to the other garage door. So if you need to slip out that 3rd-car garage real quick, boom, there it is. The bedroom. That's it. Access to the 3rd car. Got the full bath in here. The tub. This is the funky exit door out of the closet. Half a bath. in the loft area. With an interesting twist. Sneak doors, trap doors. But I don't know why they have this open to the bedroom. But closing this off wouldn't be that big a deal. Just add a wall right here. Make for a nice office with a very secret feeling. This is just storage in here. Light, yeah. There you go.